So recently got a query for Google Ads. Let's see what the query is. Okay, new to Google Ads, need help for own business. I also November my main source of income in leads was sunsetted, and we were exported over to another platform, and it's heavily AI powered, and still couldn't find the best way to get clients there. So now, even though I'm in organic marketing, content marketing for clients, I'm in SOS mode to get leads back, even if it's mean running ads. I already set up my business Google Ads, but at the moment I'm trying to figure it out. Some questions I could probably ask Gemini or ChatGPT, but I prefer human answers. Do I need to create a specific landing page for the ads so it will convert properly, or can I just use any of my existing services page as a landing page? I have opt-in form for all of my pages. What's the best bidding strategy? I'm clueless. Okay, the questions. I know I shouldn't have I know I should have started with my content marketing for my own business and practice what I preach, but I have always been so busy and got completely passive. Now I'm wondering how to cut through the nose. Not sure if I wanted to try Meta, but I got systems in place and mapped out my attack already. Just need a quick win, because I don't want to keep relying on Contrast AI at the moment. Thanks in advance. Okay, so first of all, congratulations that you are trying to run ads. Okay, so as far as your question is concerned regarding, you said that you can probably ask Gemini or ChatGPT, but you prefer human answers. Okay, so let me appreciate you that you prefer human answers. But let me tell you one thing, that the Gemini or ChatGPT cannot explain the brand persona, or probably more you say like a brand feeling. Okay, the AI cannot realize the perfect wordings which need to be used for your customers. They can replicate everything, but they cannot replicate or understand the feelings for now. I'm not sure, maybe in future AI can do that as well, but not right now. So the feelings, how to attract the customers, how to build a space in their mind and in their heart, that is what marketers do. So I think that Gemini or ChatGPT cannot do this for now. Okay, but I spent too much time on this. So now coming on, do I need to create a specific landing page for the ad so it will convert properly, or can I just use any of my existing services page as a landing page? You need to have your own landing page. I'm going to say it again and again. It's why, because try to understand the intent of the user with which user has searched a specific query. Keep in mind that thing, that when they are searching something in their mind, the landing page need to exactly replicate that. And if you are having a website full of every information and user is coming with a specific information, if your website landing page do not fulfill that information, the interest attention will be out for the user. And when the interest attention will be out, they cannot focus exactly on which you want to get them focused. At that moment, it's the time when the user will leave or lose the interest on your website. And as a marketer, I do not want this to happen. And I want my audience to have 100% attention focus when they visit my website, which is why I recommend to create a specific landing page for this. And for your second, what's the best bidding strategy? I'm clueless. Okay, for the bidding strategy, for the new campaigns, I recommend to go with maximize clicks. Maximize clicks is a very good bidding strategy for new campaigns, because we need to get the data. Data means clicks and conversions. We need to equally get clicks and conversions. And for the best bidding strategy to get it work, you need to have a conversion tracking system proper in place set. If you do not have that, I'm not sure that the best bidding strategy will be helpful to you at all, because if you want that system to work, so conversion tracking needs to be 100% correct. And once you run on maximize clicks, get some data, get some conversions, it's a time to shift to maximize conversions. So run it with maximize conversions, and after some time shift to maximize conversions with TCP, target CPM. Or alternatively, you can go with the bid impression share after maximize conversions, or after maximize clicks. If maximize conversions do not work, go with bid impression share and look around for top position or absolute top position, because some brands have very good results on the first position, some have a second number position. So try to understand which ad position works for your business as well. So these are a few of the things, but give some time for each of the bidding strategy to make it workful. So yeah, this is the answer for this. And if you wanted to try Meta, I do recommend Meta. Meta ads is going to be very good for, but I'm at this point not sure what kind of a website or niche you have or what kind of a target location you are trying to refer it. But in general opinion, I do recommend Meta as well. So I hope this answers the question, and this is going to be a quick win for you. But if anyone needs a professional help, we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency, and we will love to work with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. And as a Google partner, I hope you like my suggestions and consultation. Thank you.